End self-sabotage and have successful life. The video talks about the limiting beliefs and blockages one used to have actually blocking their own life. So once you end these kind of self-sabotages, definitely you are going to have a successful life. How would your life change if your every action, thought, belief, habit, character, and emotion could motivate and propel you forward instead of hold you back? Where you could finally rid yourself or self-sabotaging habits like laziness, procrastination, scarcity mindset, and replace them with empowering thoughts and habits that serve your highest goal. Equip yourself with today's best and scientifically proven mind tools available for replacing your negative laziness, procrastination, scarcity mindset, and self sabotaging thoughts and beliefs. Fill with positive mindset with focus, productivity, worthiness, success, helping others, and fulfillment attitude, so you will get successful life. A person's true nature is amplified when faced with real challenges in life. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you are kind, so you will become more kinder. If you are strong, so you will become more stronger. If you are loving, so you will show more love. But it is important to note that the same is also true for our more disempowering negative traits also. So consider this point. Many people have confidence that they are feeling at least some anxiety, negativity, self-doubt due to what's going on in this world. This is precisely why there is no better time than now to start looking inner space and focus on our own personal growth to help self and others. This not only helps to survive but also thrive through these challenging times. End self-sabotage and have successful life. The following is the take-home message. Using various kinds of tools from old and new, one can achieve this easily. Remove self-sabotaging limiting blocks and beliefs by reprogramming or rewriting or rewiring your brain for unlimited success in your life forever. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.